हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल विजन एग्रीकल्चर पर। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन यानी आरपीएससी एग्रीकल्चर सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च ऑफिसर एग्रोनॉमी 2016 की। दोस्तों, वीडियो देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एवं लाइक ज़रूर करें, जिससे कि आप तक वीडियो पहुँचता रहे। चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक जोन ऑफ राजस्थान वेयर क्वीन ऑफ सीरियल्स is extensively grown in Rabi season. Option A, flood prone eastern plain. B, humid southern plain. C, humid south eastern plain. D, irrigated northwestern plain. Right answer is option B, humid southern plain. Next, question number 2, Hindi name of Brassica gentiana is option A, Raya. B, Toria. C, Kali Sarso. D, Pili Sarso. Right answer is option A, Raya. Next, question number 3, rock phosphate deposits are abundantly found in district of Rajasthan. Option A, Nagaur. B, Bikaner. C, Barmer. D, Udaipur. Right answer is option D, Udaipur. Next, question number 4, in which of the following agroclimatic zone of India Punjab and Haryana falls? Option A, Trans-Gangetic Plain region. B, Upper Gangetic Plain region. C, Middle Gangetic Plain region. D, Lower Gangetic Plain region. Right answer is option A, Trans-Gangetic Plain region. Next, World Soil Day is celebrated every year on option A, 5th December. B, 12th December. C, 26th December. D, 30th December. Right answer is option A, 5th December. Next, weather element that is not correctly matched with its measuring unit. Option A, temperature degree Celsius. B, relative humidity percentage. C, cloud cover hours. D, atmospheric pressure millibars. Right answer is option C, cloud covers hours. Next, the best temperature of maize for calculating growing degrees days is option A, 10 degrees Celsius. B, 4.5 degrees Celsius. C, 8 degrees Celsius. D, 12 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option A, 10 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 8, headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is located at option A, Geneva. B, Paris. C, Washington. D, Rome. Option A. Right answer is option A, Geneva. Next, question number 9, what will be the gross irrigation requirement of a field having net irrigation requirement 400 mm and field irrigation efficiency 80%? Option A, 300 mm. B, 400 mm. C, 500 mm. D, 700 mm. Right answer is option C, 500 mm. Next, question number 10, as per CSSRI Karnal classification of irrigation water boron content of normal water should be option A, less than 3 ppm. B, 3 to 4 ppm. C, 4 to 5 ppm. D, 5 to 10 ppm. Right answer is option A, less than 3 ppm. Next, question number 11, the commonly used pan coefficient value in evapotranspiration study is option A, 0.7. B, 1.7. C, 2.7. D, 3.7. Right answer is option A, 0.7. Next, question number 12, the ratio between the irrigated area and volume of water applied is known as option A, delta of water. B, duty of water. C, base of water. D, water course. Right answer is option B, duty of water. Next, if a crop is to be irrigated at 0.6 IW upon CPE ratio within 6 cm depth, it should be given at CPE value of option A, 10 mm. B, 60 mm. C, 600 mm. D, 100 mm. Right answer is option D, 100 mm. Next, question number 14, 1 hectare meter is equal to option A, 100 cubic meter water. B 1000 cubic meter water, C 10,000 cubic meter water, D 1 lakh cubic meter water. Right answer is option C. 1 hectare meter is equal to, sorry, it is wrong. Right answer is D 1 lakh cubic meter water. Next question number 15. Among the deficient soil textural classes, which is an ideal one for most of the crops? Option A sandy, B clay, C loamy, D silty. Right answer is option C, loamy. Next question number 16. Nitrogen content of sulfur coated urea ranges between option A 26 to 28%, B 36 to 37%, C 40 to 42%, D C 46 to 48%. Right answer is option B 36 to 37%. Next, nutrient element act as energy currency within plants is option A calcium, B potassium, C phosphorus, D nitrogen. Right answer is option C, phosphorus. Next question number 18. Nutrient deficiency responsible for heart rot and sugar beet is option A molybdenum, B copper, C zinc, D boron. Right answer is option D boron. Next question number 19. Seaweed, a marine algae, is used as option A herbicide, B fertilizer, C insecticide, D fungicide. Right answer is option B, fertilizer. Next question number 20. Orobanki, a parasite bead, is classified as option A hollow stem parasitic bead, B hemi root parasitic bead, C hollow root parasitic bead, D hemi stem parasitic bead. Right answer is option C, hollow root parasitic bead. Next question number 21. Quantity of Solaro 15 WP for 2 hectares maize to supply atrazine at 0.75 kg per hectare. Option 1 0.5 kg, B 3 kg, C 1.5 kg, D 0.75 kg. Right answer is option B, 3 kg. Next question number 22. Which one among the following beets is a broad-leaved monocotyledon? Option A Avena fatua, B Phalaris minor, C Aspergilla arvensis, D Caemolina species. Right answer is option D, Caemolina species. Next, brown manuring, a recent approach towards beet control, is practiced is option A maize, B direct seeded rice, C mustard, D pigeon pea. Right answer is option B, direct seeded rice. Next question number 24. What will be the beet control efficiency if beet dry matter in weighty check is 30 quintals and is treated plot it is 15 quintals per hectare? Is option A 15, B 30, C 45, D 50. Right answer is option D, 50. Next question number 25. If a soil has bulk density 1.5 milligram per cubic meter and particle density 2.5 milligram per cubic meter, what will be the percent porosity of soil? Option A 30%, B 40%, C 50%, D 60%. Right answer is option B, 40%. Next, in which district Indian Institute of Farming System Research IIFSR is situated? Option A Jhansi, B Meerut, C Ghaziabad, D Solapur. Right answer is option B, Meerut. Next question number 27. Which among the following indicators is used to assess the intercropping system? Option A leaf area index, B light use efficiency, C land equivalent ratio, D sustainability index. Right answer is option C, land equivalent ratio. Next, the unit of relative growth rate RGR of any crop is option A gram per square meter leaf area per day, B gram per day, C ग्राम पर ग्राम पर स्क्वायर मीटर लैंड एरिया पर डे, डी ग्राम पर डे। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ग्राम पर डे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, ए रैपिड ग्रोइंग फेज ऑफ प्लांट इज टर्म्ड एज। ऑप्शन ए लैग फेज, बी सेनेसेंस फेज, सी प्लेटू फेज, डी लॉग फेज। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी लॉग फेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, सेलेक्ट इनकरेक्ट मैच फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। ऑप्शन ए फॉर गुड क्रॉप ग्रोथ अप्लाई नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर, बी फॉर करेक्टिंग टॉप सिकनेस ऑफ टोबैको अप्लाई बोरान फर्टिलाइजर, सी फॉर क्वालिटी प्रोड्यूस अप्लाई पोटेशियम फर्टिलाइजर, डी फॉर करेक्टिंग येलोइंग इन ग्राउंडनट अप्लाई जिंक फर्टिलाइजर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, फॉर करेक्टिंग येलोइंग इन ग्राउंडनट अप्लाई जिंक फर्टिलाइजर। नेक्स्ट 31, which one of the following crop is more tolerant to sodicity? Option A sorghum, B groundnut, C rice, D mustard. Right answer is option C rice. Next question number 32, soybean is originated from which country? Option A China, B India, C Brazil, D Mexico. Right answer is option C Brazil. Next question number 33, select the correct combination of a crop variety and its 1000 grain weight. Option A wheat 35 gram, B gram 380 gram, C French bean 500 gram, D groundnut 250 gram. Right answer is option B, gram की AK2 variety 380 gram is grain weight या test weight. Next question number 34, what quality of sulfuric acid is required to spray 1000 liters of water in 1 hectare to control frost in rabi crops? Option A 100 ml, B 500 ml, C 1000 ml, D 1500 ml. Right answer is option C 1000 ml. Next question number 35, the optimum temperature range for ideal germination of wheat seed is. Option A 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, B 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, C 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, D 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option C 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Next question number 36, which one of the following crops is known as queen of all seeds? Question number 36, option A soybean, B mustard, C sunflower, D sesame. Right answer is option D, sesame. इसका बोटनिकल नेम होता है सिसेमम इंडिकम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, फॉर गुड क्वालिटी टोबैको क्लोराइड कंटेंट इन लीव्स should never exceed. Option A 2%, B 3%, C 4%, D 5%. Right answer is option A 2%. Next, for delinting 10 kg Fuji cotton seed, industrial grade sulfuric acid required is. Option A 500 ml, B 1000 ml, C 1500 ml, D 2000 ml. Right answer is option B 1000 ml. Next, red rot is an important disease of this crop. Option A potato, B sugar beet, C sugarcane, D maize. Right answer is option C sugarcane. Next, the oil of crop is extensively used in paints and varnish industry. Option A sesame, B safflower, D ratanjot, D linseed. Right answer is option D linseed. Next, question number 41, quantity of seed required for 1 hectare area of crop. If plant population per hectare is 50,000, test weight 200 gram and real value of seed is 100%. Option A 10 kg, B 20 kg, C 30 kg, D 40 kg. Right answer is option A 10 kg. Next, question number 42, the coefficient of variation is calculated by formula. Option A mean upon standard deviation into 100, B standard deviation upon mean into 100, C standard deviation upon mean, D mean upon standard deviation. Right answer is option B standard deviation upon mean into 100. Next, question number 43. Size of mini watershed varies between option A 10,000 to 15,000 hectares, B 1,000 to 10,000 hectares, C 100 to 1,000 hectares, D 10 to 100 hectares. Right answer is option D 10 to 100 hectares. Next, question number 44. Fumigation of red burrows in the field is done by option A zinc phosphide, B ammonium phosphide, C zinc sulfate, D zinc phosphate. Right answer is option B ammonium phosphide. Next, question number 45. Jakham Dam is situated in which district of Rajasthan? Option A Jaipur, B Tong, C Dausa, D Pratapgarh. Right answer is option D Pratapgarh. Next, question number 46. Agriculture is not merely growing crop but more of applied. Option A ecosystem, B environment, C ecology, D climate. Right answer is option C ecology. Next, question number 47. We are growing wheat in plains in winter and high hills in summer due to option A height, B temperature, C scenic beauty, D crop rotation. Right answer is option B temperature. Next, rainfall in hills is more towards option A windward side, B leeward side, C both side, D either side. Right answer is option A windward sides. Next, question number 49. Soil in foothills are option A matured, B immature, C fully matured, D none of these. Right answer is option B immature. Next, well drained volcanic soils are option A more fertile, B less fertile, C non fertile, D useless. Right answer is option A more fertile. Next, question number 51. Threshold temperature refers to the point at which a stimulus begins to option A no response, B partial response, C full response, D bring a response. Right answer is option D bring a response. Next, question number 52. In slopy lands, most suitable irrigation method is option A drip, B check basin, C sprinkler, D surface flood. Right answer is option C sprinkler. Next, question number 53. Objective of zero tillage is option A to control soil runoff, B to check water runoff, C to control water percolation, D to control soil erosion and yellow aggregation. Right answer is option D to control soil erosion and yellow aggregation. Next, question number 54. Climate change means option A diurnal changes in weather parameters, B weekly changes in weather parameters, C monthly changes in weather parameters, D long term more than 30-year changes in weather parameters. Right answer is option D long term more than 30 years changes in weather parameters. Next, greenhouse effect is related to option A rise in temperature, B rise in rainfall, C rise in precipitation, D rainfall delay. Right answer is option A rise in temperature. Next, question number 56. Role of abscisic acid in plant is option A increase in growth, B growth retardation, C cell elongation, D more branching. Right answer is option B growth retardation. Next, application of psychocell leads to option A retardation of vegetative growth, B retardation of fruiting, C retardation of flowering, D check rooting. Right answer is option A retardation of vegetative growth. Next, question number 58. Relative growth rate of plants is option A more yield with time, B yield with time, C more growth with time, D growth with per unit time. Right answer is option D growth with per unit time. Next, question number 59. Highest density of water is at the temperature of degree Celsius. Option A 0, B 2, C 4, D 8. Right answer is option C 4. Next, question number 60. The temperature range of a stratosphere is option A -10 to -19 degree Celsius, B -45 to -75 degree Celsius, C -60 to -85 degree Celsius, D -80 to -95 degree Celsius. The right answer is option B -45 to -75 degree Celsius. Next question number 61. C3 plants saturate light up to 40,000 to 50,000 lux, while C4 plants option A 50,000 to 60,000, B 60,000 to 70,000, C 70,000 to 80,000, D 90,000 to 1 lakh. Right answer is option D 90,000 to 1 lakh. Next question number 62. Fresh water bodies including rivers and streams are known as option A lentic, B lacustrine, C lotic or riverine, D palustrine. Right answer is option C lotic or riverine. Next question number 63. The pungency and odor in onion is due to option A nitrogen, B phosphorus, C potassium, D sulfur. Right answer is option D sulfur. Next question number 64. According to the essentiality criteria of nutrients, which one is correct without it? Option A plant can not complete life cycle, B plant can complete life cycle, C plant can not grow, D plant can grow very well. Right answer is option A plant can not complete life cycle. Next question number 65. Free living nitrogen fixers are option A rhizobia, B azotobacter, C azospirillum, D azotobacter and azospirillum both. राइट आंसर इज दोस्तों इसमें सभी जो है फ्री लिविंग नाइट्रोजन फिक्सर होते हैं, मतलब मोर देन वन ऑप्शन सही है, इसलिए एजोटोबैक्टर भी होता है, एजोस्पाइरिलम भी होता है, एजोटोबैक्टर राइजोबियम सिम्बियोटिक पाया जाता है एसोसिएशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. फास्फोरस अवेलेबिलिटी इन सॉइल इंक्रीजेज इन पीएच. ऑप्शन ए मोर देन 8, B more than 8.2, C more than 8.4, D more than 8.5. Next question number 67. Phosphorus fixation in acid soil start below the pH. Option is 7, B 7.5, C 6.5, D 3.5. Right answer is option C 6.5. Next question number 68. Soil moisture could be measured by option A pycnometer, B moisture meter, C gravimeter method, D moisture meter and gravimeter method both. Right answer is option D moisture meter and gravimeter method both. Next question number 69. Micronutrient use efficiency is more when these are applied. Option A through sprinkler, B foliar spray, C soil application, D through drip irrigation. Right answer is option B foliar spray. Next question number 70. Largest area under micro irrigation is in the state of option A Bihar, B UP, C Rajasthan, D Kerala. Right answer is option C Rajasthan. Next question number 71. Most salinity tolerant crop among the seed species is option A coriander, B cumin, C fennel, D fenugreek. Right answer is option B cumin. Next question number 72. Saline soils could be improved by option A leaching, B gypsum application, C pyrite application, D sulfur application. Right answer is option A leaching. Next question number 73. Example of narrow leaf weed is option A amaranthus, B argemone, C phloris, D chenopodium. Right answer is option C phloris. Next question number 74. Viability of weed seed like lotus remains for Option A 10 years, B 100 years, C 1000 years, D none of these. Right answer is option C 1000 years. Next question number 75. Which one is not a systematic herbicide? Option A atrazine, B simazine, C propanil, D paraquat. Right answer is option D paraquat. Next question number 76. Which is not a phenoxy group of herbicide? Option A 2,4-D, B 2,4-DB, C MCPA, D 2,3,6-TBA. Right answer is option D 2,3,6-TBA. Next question number 77. Post emergence herbicide is used. Option A before germination of crop, B before germination of bead, C after germination of crop, D after germination bead. Right answer is option C after germination of crop. Next question number 78. Application of 2,4-D sodium salt may be avoided in the following type of soil to reduce leaching loss. Option is sandy, B sandy, clay loam, C clay loam, D clay. Right answer is option A sandy. Next question number 79. Which cropping system accommodate maximum crops in a piece of land within a specified time? Option A mixed cropping, B relay cropping, C mixed cropping and intercropping, D intercropping. Right answer is option C mixed cropping and intercropping. Next question number 80. Dry farming means cultivation of crops where rainfall is less than. Option A 550 mm, B 650 mm, C 750 mm, D 850 mm. Right answer is option C 750 mm. Next question number 81. Under moisture stress in plant, concentration of photosynthetic assimilates. Option A decreases, B increases, C remain constant, D as usual. Right answer is option B increases. Next question number 82. Escaping drought by the crops means. Option A matures within the rainfall period, B germinate early, C matures late, D matures after rain. Right answer is option A matures within the rainfall period. Next question number 83. Under drought conditions in owned varieties, ants contribute photosynthesis about. Option A 12%, B 10%, C 12%, D 50%. Right answer is option A 12%. Next, water infiltration in soil means. Option A water movement in soil, B water enters in soil, C percolation, D leaching. Right answer is option B water enters in soil. Next question number 85. Pratap C50 is the variety of crop. Option A wheat, B sesamum, C dil, D maize. Right answer is option B sesamum. Next question number 86. Most adaptive crop under moisture limited condition is. Option A rice, B maize, C wheat, D sesamum. Right answer is option D sesamum. Next question number 87. When field varies in fertility, which experimental design is appropriate? Option A CRD, B RVD, C split plot, D paired row. Right answer is option B RVD. Next question number 88. For the multi-factor study, which experimental design is more appropriate? Option A BRD, B RVD, C CRD, D split plot. Right answer is option D split plot. Next question number 89. Dependency of one factor on other could be calculated by appropriate method. Option A student t-test, B mean, C correlation, D harmonic mean. Right answer is option C correlation. Next question number 90. India is divided in how many agro-eco sub-regions? Option A 20, B 30, C 50, D 60. Right answer is option D 60. Next Question number 91. Based on the recent estimates, Bikaner and Jaisalmer are delineated in the agroclimatic zone of option A first A, B second A, C first C, D second C. Right answer is option C, first C. Next, question number 92. Delta in irrigation is measured in which unit? Option A centimeter, B hours, C cubic, D liter per second per hectare. Right answer is option A, centimeter. Next, question number 93. Study of desert and dry land management is studied under option A ecology, B dry land farming, C xerophic science, D eremology. Right answer is option D, eremology. Next, question number 94. Threshold wind velocity for chemical spray in field crop is option A less than 1 km per hour, B less than 2 km per hour, C less than 3 km per hour, D less than 4 km per hour. Right answer is option C, less than 3 km per hour. Next, question number 95. Mallika is variety of which crop? Option A khejri, B babul, C groundnut, D black gram. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। वैसे मल्लिका मैंगो की वैरायटी होती है, बट राइट आंसर इज ग्राउंडनट। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 96. बीड इंडेक्स इज कैलकुलेटेड एज ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी एंड डी. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, crop yield of bead free plot minus crop yield of treated plot upon crop yield of bead free plot into 100. Right answer is option A. Next, question number 97. All India severe drought year is declared when spatial coverage of drought is more than option A 20%, B 40%, C 60%, D 80%. Right answer is option B 40%. Next, question number 98. Celiac disease in human being is caused by option A gluten allergy, B tryptophan allergy, C lysine allergy, D gene allergy. Right answer is option A gluten allergy. Next, question number 99. Which type of corn comes under primitive type? Option A flint corn, B sweet corn, C pod corn, D waxy corn. Right answer is option C pod corn. Next, question number 100. Which type of nitrogen fertilizers should be avoided in paddy crops? Option A nitrate, B ammonical, C amide, D cyanamide. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए नाइट्रेट। थैंक यू दोस्तों। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एवं लाइक ज़रूर करें और अधिक से अधिक दोस्तों में शेयर करें ताकि ऐसे ही आपको हेल्पफुल वीडियो मिलता रहे। धन्यवाद।